Oh, what's next to S?
What?
What?
H.
Again. Hello. Oh,
And what's that?
and what's that?
O.
And then, stop it, anak. Focus, please.
Okay. R and E.
Is that even R?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let me help you. Ang hirap daw ng left-handed anak. Okay. Now, I'm gonna read it to you again and then answer me, okay? Okay? Listen to mommy. No, no, no. Stop playing. Stop playing. Listen to mommy. Okay? There are motorboats, rowboats, and sailboats. Jessica's favorite is the yellow motorboat with the flag. Okay? Hey, I said stop playing. You need to focus. So, what kind of boats are there?
Motorboats, sailboats,
Uh-huh.
rowboats.
Good job. Oh, now you right here. Still cannot know the spell. Motorboats, rowboats, and sailboats.
I can help.
No, you can do it. I
Okay.
cannot always help you. Ano, anak, small letter. Okay? You don't have much space.
It's more.
Yeah.
More.
Yes.
To. It's T.
Mm.
To.
Mm.
Bo.
Oi,
No.
where's the R? Motor. Not moto. Motor.
Wait.
Okay.
Motor.
Mm.
Motor.
Boat.
I have motor. I cannot do it.
What? Boat. Okay. Okay.
And E.
A.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
What?
what? Boat. The last letter is?
T.
Okay. Now, next, motorboat. What else? Okay. What else?
There.
You see? Motorboats. And then?
Sailboats.
Okay. Okay.
Say.
Mm.
Yon.
Sa. You first write the sa. E means I. No. That's A. I.
E.
I.
U.
L. Okay. Let's cancel the boat so you have more space. Okay. And then we put this. Okay. You put the rowboat.
There the
Yeah.
rowboat.
Yeah. Rowboat. Row. Row.
It's row.
Spell row.
Okay. Row.
And then row. Oh, where are you going? That's road. Row. 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 Okay, wait. Let me
Row.
fix this. Okay. Row. Wa.
It's W.
Yes. And then make a and here. Okay, that's enough. Now, I'm gonna read it again, okay?
Okay.
Jessica's favorite is the... No, listen to me because you don't have focus there. Come here, come here. Listen to mommy. Look at mommy's eye. Jessica's favorite is the yellow motorboat with the flag. Now, the rowboat decorated with flowers is Lisa's favorite. So, what is Lisa's favorite?
Flowers.
What kind? What?
Flowers.
No. You see, I'm gonna read it to you again. Jessica's favorite is the yellow motorboat with a flag. The rowboat decorated with flowers is Lisa's favorite. So what is Lisa's favorite?
Boats.
I know. What kind of boat?
Rowboat.
With?
Flowers.
Okay. You write it. Okay. Write it. Yes. The rowboat decorated with flowers. Please write it small so you have space. Where are you now? It's S. Let's say rowboat. Row.
It's rowboat.
Row.
Rowboats.
Yeah. Row. Oh yeah. Row. Okay. Row. Row. Okay. Next, boat. Okay. Okay.
And
Boat. Okay. Okay. Just with flowers na lang. W with V TH I okay TH okay. Uy, what's that? Okay, where's the T? Need to T here. Yeah. Okay. Flaw, fa, law, law. Okay. Where?
it's W.
Yes, where? Ra.
I'm going down.
Yeah, ra. No need. Just oh yeah, ra. R. Yeah. S. Yeah, flowers. Okay. Now, Mommy's gonna read this to you again and then listen, okay? Okay, hello?
Okay. Huh?
The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of the summer. No, you're not focusing, anak. Ay, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Focus on mommy. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of the summer. So, question is, what is the best part of summer?
What?
What?
Sun.
Oy! You see, you didn't listen again, ah. Don't listen to mommy. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of summer.
What?
What? Listen to mommy. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of summer. So, what is the best part of summer? It's the...
What?
Oh my gosh. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of the summer. What is the best part of summer?
Boats.
Boat what?
Boat summer.
Ay, boat.
Boat what?
Boat what? The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is the best part of the summer. So what is the best part of summer?
What?
What? It's the boat.
What?
Ay, you're sleepy na. O sige na, I give you this one. Boat parade. Okay, this. Oh, here. You're sleepy na.
I want to sleep. Daddy's room.
Okay. Oh, right na. Hurry up.
This is mommy's room.
No, it's not. Hurry up. Oh, where's your age? Ha. No, 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 no. That's 10. Look at there. Oh, I already give you ano eh. Oh, that's bonus na nga eh. THE. Where's your age? Oh my gosh, you're really sleepy na. Ah, there.
Can I do this?
Stay on the line.
The A is where?
The A. Small A lang, anak.
And there. Pear. I can't help.
Stop it. It's enough.
R. And A. And E.
Good job, anak. High five si mami. Yeah.
I'm done.